Your production requires clean compressed air. That is why you have a premium air system to protect your pneumatic tools, your processes, and your end products. Filters are a necessity to achieve this quality air. Not just any filter though. Filtration technology matters if you're looking for reliability, cost efficiency, and easy service. Just take a look at the latest generation of Atlas Copco filters. First, we've developed advanced filtration methods and media to take on specific contaminants. A wrapped filter element for wet particles, a pleated element for solid particles, and macro-structured activated carbon for oil vapors. We even have spinning filters to remove water from the airflow. This means you can maximize your air quality by selecting the filter element that works best for your production. It's true filtration flexibility for the first time ever, for maximum peace of mind. But there's more. Here's the impasse, a true revolution in filter technology. Until now, installing an external 3-valve bypass was the only way to service your filters without interrupting your airflow. Without this costly bypass, you simply had to shut down your entire air system for filter element replacement during production or after working hours. The impasse routes the air through the filter head during maintenance. No need to install extra piping around the filters. No need to halt production. No need to schedule filter maintenance after working hours. It's truly seamless service for the first time ever, for maximum cost savings. Advanced engineering makes this quick and easy maintenance possible. The impasse allows for the filter head to be turned 90 degrees, redirecting the airflow for safe cartridge replacement. A new non-stick floater was designed for hassle-free removal from the outside. In addition, Atlas Copco's new filters come with an easy-to-read service indicator. It shows the filter's running hours, differential pressure, and maintenance status, allowing you to maximize the lifespan of your filters and to plan the best time for maintenance, even from a distance, as the malfunction alert on the filter head can be connected to a remote monitoring device. You see, for Atlas Copco, filters are not just an add-on. They are an essential piece of your compressed air system. That is why we design and build our filters to give you maximum air quality and operational savings. And that's why a premium air system needs Atlas Copco filters. For more about Atlas Copco air filters, visit atlascopco.com.